Now let's know some new words of this lesson. I want. Unit 2. Strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. Second word. Magic wand. M-A-G-I-C. Magic wand. Third word. Wishes. W-I-S-H-E-S. Wishes. Fourth word. Blows. B-L-O-W-S. Blows. Fifth word. Stretches. S-T-R-E-T-C-H-E-S. Stretches. Now sixth word. Trunk. T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. Monster. M-O-N-S-T-E-R. So in your English notebook, you have to write these 7 words 2 times on the same page. You have to write it 2 times and you also have to learn it. Students, let's understand words with meaning of the lesson I want. First word, strong. Strong means powerful. Second word, magic wand. It means magic stick. You all know that magician do magic with magic stick. So we call it magic wand also. Third, wishes. Wishes means want to do something. If we want to do something, we can say I wish. Fourth, blows. Blows means to force air out of the mouth. If we blow out air, it means we force air out of our mouth. That is blows. Then fifth, stretches. Stretches means to pull something to make it longer. लंबा जिसको खींचते हैं, right? We call it stretch. Stretch करना, stretches. Then trunk. You all know elephant has trunk. Long and flexible body part of an elephant. Right? You know elephant has long trunk. Seventh, monster. An imaginary ugly looking creature. That is monster. Right? We call it Rakshas, monster. An imaginary ugly looking creature. So these are some words with meaning. Students, now let's frame sentences using some new words. First word, strong. We know that strong means powerful. So let's use this word in sentence. Ritu has strong arms. A-R-M-S. Ritu has strong arms. Full stop. Second word, wand. Wand means stick. Her brother gifted her a magic wand on her birthday. Her brother gifted her a magic wand on her birthday. उसके भैया ने उसे बर्थडे गिफ्ट में मैजिक वॉन्ड, मैजिक स्टिक दी. Then wishes. My friend wishes to win the drawing competition. Right? My friend, मेरा फ्रेंड है, उसको ड्राइंग कंपटीशन जीतनी है. She want that. Blows. Elephant blows water from his trunk. एलिफेंट ने अपनी ट्रंक से वाटर ब्लोज किया, मतलब बाहर फेंका. ब्लोज. स्ट्रेचेस. नेहा स्ट्रेचेस द इलास्टिक बैंड. राइट? नेहा ने क्या किया? इलास्टिक बैंड को स्ट्रेच किया. मॉन्स्टर. द cartoon had a monster in it. You all watch cartoon, so कार्टून के अंदर मॉन्स्टर आता है ना. सो द कार्टून हैड अ मॉन्स्टर इन इट. सो दिस sentences I have framed. You can use also these words in your own sentences too. So write down this in your English notebook. Let's do first exercise of the lesson I want. See here. Open your textbook, page number 32. Put a tick or a cross against the following sentences. One has been already done for you. The little monkey wants to be big and strong. Yes, this is correct. So, tick. Second, a wise woman does not hear him. This is wrong, false. So, we will cross here because wise woman hears him. Third, she gives him a wand. True, she gives him a magic wand. So, this is true. The giraffe stretches his long neck. The giraffe stretches his long neck. True. He stretches his long neck and tries to eat sweet leaves. So correct. The elephant has no trunk. Has the elephant trunk? Yes. So this is wrong because here given no trunk. So we will put cross here. The zebra has stripes. Yes, the zebra has stripes. This is also correct. The little monkey sees a monster in the river. This is also correct. Little monkey sees a monster, though that is himself only. But still, the little monkey sees a monster. No, so this is correct. So this is your true and false. Do it properly in your textbook. Students, let's do some question answer of the lesson I want. Question 1. What does little monkey want to be? What does little monkey want to be? The little monkey wants to be strong. We have seen in the lesson that little monkey wants to be strong. Question 2. Who hears him? उसको किसने सुना? A wise woman hears him. Answer 2. A wise woman hears him. एक wise woman like a fairy hears him. Question 3. How does an elephant have a bath? Elephant ने कैसे बाथ लिया? An elephant fills his trunk with water and blows it over himself. Elephant ने अपनी ट्रंक में पानी लिया और फिर खुद के ऊपर डाला. Question 4. Does the zebra have spots or stripes? Zebra के पास क्या होता है? Spots और stripes. Zebra has stripes all over his body. Zebra has stripes all over his body. Question 5. Why does little monkey want to be himself again? Monkey को जैसा था वैसे क्यों वापस बनना है? So answer 6. The little monkey found himself look like a monster. When little monkey saw in river, so he thought no that oh I am looking like a monster. Therefore he wanted to be himself again. इसलिए उसको जैसा था वैसा ही बनना है. So these are 6 question answer. You complete this 5 question answer in your English notebook. Only 5 question answer. Let's do one more exercise of lesson I want. Open page number 34 in your English textbook. Say aloud. You have to repeat all these words after me. Let's start. Strong, strong. Stretch, stretch. String, string. Stripes, stripes. School, school. Skin, skin. Scold, scold. Scruffy, scruffy. Spot, sport. Spit, spit. Spin, spin. Spell, spell. Zebra, zebra. Zoom, zoom. Zip, zip. Zoo, zoo. Giraffe, giraffe. Jump, jump. Joy, joy. Jelly, jelly. Gum, gum. Girl, girl. Grow, grow. Give, give. Very good, student. I think you all have repeated, right? Now let's do another exercise on the same page. Let's find. See, monkeys are fun to watch. Can you find the word monkey 5 times in the box? In this box, monkey word given 5 times. You have to search it. This exercise you do it by your own. Then I will send you image that where this word monkey 5 times here in the box. So do it by your own. Let's do one more exercise of the lesson I want. See here word building on page number 35. See, if one bee is there, a bee. But if more than one, then a swarm of bees. If group of bees is there, then a swarm of bees we call it. So join a bee with a swarm of bees. Then if a cow. But if more than one cow, a group of cow is there, then we call it a herd of cows. A cow, a herd of cows. Lion, a lion. But if more than one, then a pride of lions. A pride of lions. A bird, right? But a group of bird is there, then a flock of birds. What we call it? A flock of birds. So this is the group of animal and we call it with different name. Now let's write. The monkey wrote to his mother, I look awful. He made 2 mistakes. What are they? Write the sentence correctly here. The monkey write this line to his mother, but by writing this line he made 2 mistakes. So what are they? This type of exercise we have already done. So when we write any sentence, first letter should be capital. So I look awful. O full, and at the end what we have to keep? Full stop. Full stop is already here, right? So at the end full stop should come. I look awful and full stop. Let's do one more exercise on page number 36. Put the letters in order to make a word. 2 have been done for you. Here some words are given but letters are not in a proper order. So we have to arrange all the letters properly and we have to make word. OT but 2O2. SI, IS is. EH, so it is he, H, E, he. GIB, So we made the word big. B-I-G, big. M-I-H, but we will write it like this. H-I-M, him. S-I-H, but we will make the word his. H-I-S, his. R-E-H, but the word is H-E-R, her. And N-S-E, but the word is C-A-N, can. So here the letters are jumbled, not in proper order, but we have arranged all these letters properly and we got words. Next exercise. Look at the pictures, count and write. See, here pictures are given. We have to count and then we have to write. First, 1 giraffe, 2 giraffes. So we will add here S. And how many giraffe? 2. So write here 2 giraffes. Now elephant. How many? 1. So we will write first here 1 elephant. 1 elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. But if more than one, then we will add here S. We have seen in 1 and more than 1 that if more than 1, then we here add S. Now how many animals? 1, 2 and 3. So we will write here spelling of 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3 elephants. Now zebra. How many zebra? 1. So first we will write 1 zebra. 1 zebra. Now more than 1, then zebras. Right? And how many? 4. So we will write here 4 zebras. 4 zebras. Z-E-B-R-A-S. Zebras. Okay. Now frogs. Here first we will write 1 frog. 1 frog. Then more than 1 frogs. Right? Add S. Now how many frogs? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 frogs. 6 frogs. F-R-O-G-S. 6 frogs. So in this way we have to complete this exercise.